In this video, we'll learn how to convert an Excel file into a Google Sheets file. First, open your Google Drive. Click on New, then select Google Sheets. Now inside Google Sheets, go to the File menu and click Import. Here you'll see different options. You can import files from your drive, shared documents, recent files, or even upload one directly from your computer. I'll go to the Upload tab and click on Browse to select my Excel file. Once the file is uploaded, you'll get three options. I'll choose Replace Spreadsheet, then click on Import Data. And just like that, your Excel file is now converted and opened in Google Sheets. One thing to keep in mind, some advanced Excel features might not work here since Excel is more powerful in a few areas. Thanks for watching.